All right, all right, all right. We finally got a little bit of a sell-off that we were looking for. And on daily SPX, we came down and touched that Keltner in that range of 41 that we were looking for. Poked through it a little bit, closed above it. That's encouraging. Tomorrow, bond market's closed, man. I really don't know what to expect. But I think we might be looking at maybe a move down to the 4,600 range. I don't know if that'll happen tomorrow or not, but I think that's a very good possibility. We may pop up and make a double top. Who knows? But the momentum just rolled over. We're still in a bullish market, so I'm not too worried about it. We got a lot of areas that we can close some gaps. But we'll just have to see what tomorrow does. I mean, that's a good, healthy retrace, getting us back in line. I'd like to see it consolidate around here a little bit. I don't want to see a lot of volatility and blacking out. You can see the Keltner channel is narrowing, and the volatility is coming out of the market. So, that's what I'm hoping holds. The 10-year inched up. And we want it to move up a little bit. We don't want it to sell off while the market is going down, because that would mean that it is a flight to safety. So money actually came out of the 10-year and probably looking for buying opportunity in the markets. There's a lot of inflation fear, but again, I'm not worried too much about that inflation fear because I feel that the Chinese are going to start slowing down considerably and have a little deflation, which is going to help our inflation issues. Also, this empty suit Biden needs to start enacting some policies, get something done with the supply channel hang-ups, and should be releasing oil from the reserve and lowering the price of oil, putting money back in people's pockets. So anyway, I miss a more aggressive president. I don't miss the nastiness, though. Looking at the VIX is edging up, but I think it's starting to peak out. It's not too aggressive. It's obviously going to move up as the market moves up, moves down, but it's not scaring me. So I'm happy about that. And what else? You know what? That's all I'm doing. Don't feel like doing much today. It was a good day all in all. I like to sell off. So hit the subscribe and hit the like and hit the bell so you know when I'm up and running. I'm going to try to stream again tomorrow for a little bit. But I will do an early morning market meeting and catch both of those and leave some comments. Let me know what you think. Good luck trading.